Good evening. This is me narrating my website for ELRC 4507. This is my website here. Uh, this is about me. My name is Kevin Trice. I've been teaching for 6 years. I'm engaged to Chelsea, and we'll be married on July 23rd. I love LSU, Saints, Astros baseball. I'm going to be 30 in April, and I'm trying to embrace old age the best way I can. So let's go up to the top. Anybody who needs to email me can email my school email address, ktrice@dbrschools.org. My resume. I've worked at 3 different high schools. I work at McKinley now. I worked at Santa Maria for a year and a half, and I worked at Port Allen High for 2.5 years. I enjoyed teaching. I was rated effective by Ascension Parish Schools 2012-2013, and I was rated highly effective in EBR in 2014-15. Out of all the schools I worked at, it's my favorite McKinley, easily. And that's not just because I still work there, but because I like the principal that I work for and I like my coworkers. So photos of me. It's me and Chelsea getting hibachi. This is our cat Harley right over here. And this is me playing golf and eating at Rufino's, my favorite Italian restaurant. So, and over on the right are my 2 best drinking buddies, and they were my buddies before they were drinking buddies. So that's Matt on the left and Clint on the right. And student work, you can click on that if you want to, but we recently did a Latin American project. So they had to do some kind of event in Latin America, so they could have done either the rugby team landing in the Uruguayan mountains, or they could have done Che Guevara or Pablo Escobar or anybody like that. And they had to do the who, what, when, where, why, and how on it. So I figured they liked that, and a lot of them picked Pablo Escobar because they like to talk about drugs. So as far as the future goes, I don't know what's going to happen in my future. A lot of it's tied to the Gifted and Talented program. If it stays, then I'll probably be at McKinley for a while, but if not, who knows? I don't know about administration, but we'll just have to see about that. So just take it one day at a time and, go from there. So, hey guys, and here's my blog. I can use it to communicate with students in case they missed an assignment, or maybe if they needed a little more explanation about what's going on. I also like to use this as something where they can post on current events, because we try to talk about current events in my class a lot. So like, for example, about John Bel Edwards getting elected, or the Chicago police shootings, or what they did for Thanksgiving, or what they're going to do for Christmas, or even if they needed help on anything. I feel like a blog is a good way for them to use it. So because they're in high school, they can use it for a lot of other constructive things. They can even come to me with suggestions, and I'm more than willing to listen to it. So my blog doesn't get a lot of use as of yet, but I intend on getting it more use in the springtime. So I feel like it could be a useful tool because it lets me communicate with them outside the classroom, and it gives them the opportunity to do more homework, which is always a good thing, right? So I hope that you enjoyed my website and my blog, and happy Thanksgiving. Eat a lot of turkey, but not too much.